Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will bring the authentic flavors and fresh taste of the sea right into your kitchen with our mouth-watering favorite seafood recipe. This dish is a hot favorite at most Goan seafood restaurants and will definitely be an instant hit at your place. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to easily clean and prepare your mussels. We will also provide tips to achieve the perfect golden crust. Our recipe for today is Goan Mussels Crispy Fry, also known as Xinaneo Rava Fry. Step 1. Cleaning the mussels or Xinaneo. We have taken 500 grams of fresh mussels or Xinaneo. Wash them properly. This is called the beard of the mussels, which is firmly attached to the mussels inside. Open up the shells of the mussel. Remove the beard, which I had shown earlier, and discard it. Carefully detach the mussel flesh from the shell using a knife or an empty mussel shell. Mussels are not only delicious but also packed with nutritional benefits. They possess anti-inflammatory qualities that can help prevent asthma and arthritis. Their high protein content and omega-3 fatty acids make them an excellent supplement to a healthy diet. Scoop out the mussel meat from the shell. Mussels are a great source of vitamin A, B2 and B12. These vitamins are necessary for skin care, red blood cell production, brain function, energy levels and immune system health. However, remember to eat mussels in moderation and make sure that they are cooked properly. Remove the transparent thread like I have shown and discard it. Do this for all the remaining mussels. Place all the mussel meat in a bowl of water and gently wash the mussel flesh. Completely drain off all the water. If there is water remaining on the mussels, it won't turn crispy while frying, or the rava will not stick properly and come off while frying. Step 2. Marinating the mussels or Xinaneo. Ingredients required for marination. Add half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Apply the marinade to all the mussels properly. One teaspoon of lime juice. Apply it properly on all the mussels. Ensure that all the mussels are properly marinated. In a plate, take quarter cup of semolina or rava for coating. Spread the semolina nicely in the plate. Coat the mussels properly with semolina on both sides. Coat all the mussels similarly and keep them ready.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
All the mussels are coated and ready for frying. Step 3. Frying the mussels or Xinaneo. On medium-low heat, in an open, thick-bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil for shallow frying. Once the pan is hot, add the coated mussels and spread them nicely. Do not overcrowd the pan. Keep sufficient space between the mussels. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Check and flip them once they are golden brown. Keep monitoring them so that they are not over fried or burnt. Add a little oil if required.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Remove the mussels once they are golden brown. Do comment with your thoughts or any Goan recipe requests or suggestions that you may have. Delicious Mussels Crispy Fry or Xinaneo Rava Fry is ready. Serve it hot as a side dish, appetizer, or as a starter. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.